What's up guys, I'm here again so that I treat Luno as a saving account so that you can actually get some earnings onto it. As you can actually see from here, it looks like we're going to hit our last high, which we actually had in about May. As you can actually see here, I think this is our all-time high. As you can see now, around this time we actually already surpassed our all-time high, so this could be a bullish sign guys. So I think we're still gonna go up a little bit before we can actually get some kind of correction. Into the news of coming some ETF and all that stuff, you're probably going to be on the bullish sign. So guys, what I actually want to do here on this video guys, I want to be able to open some kind of a saving account so that I can actually show you guys how you can actually make some passive income. So I have a little bit of Bitcoin here and a little bit of ETH, so I want to be able to create some savings account so that I can actually make a little bit of money with that guys. So okay, just bear with me a little bit here so that I can actually do that. Okay, so it looks like I already have created a saving wallet. Okay, so what's actually going to happen here guys, as you can actually I'm going to earn a bit of a 2% interest with the BTC saving wallet. So I had a video when I was actually creating this, so you can actually go look it up. So I'm not going to read all of this, even though there are some a little bit okay. So it's actually going to let me create it again. All right, your BTC saving wallet is ready. Start earning interest by transferring BTC into your BTC saving wallet. So go to BTC saving wallet, transfer BTC in. So we're actually going to transfer it. Alright, so just gonna put everything in. Transfer BTC available is that. Alright, so transferring in and out of your saving wallet is free, so it's good to know that. So we're actually going to say next. Right, it's sitting a bit long guys. So as in actually transferring this from BTC wallet to BTC saving wallet, fee is 0, and then you will start earning interest the following day at a variable interest rate. So we're actually going to confirm this. Alright. Okay, let's try again. Transfer of BTC to this has been transfer are not instant and may take a short while for your BTC to appear in your BTC saving wallet. Interest is paid out on the first of every month. So as you can actually see guys, each and every month I'll actually be able to see what I am getting with that guys. So we're just gonna say done, and then we're just going to wait for it to show onto here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the same with it. Alright, so let's see here. So actually gonna come here, and then we got on to save. As you can actually see here, it's 3% as it was 2% on BTC. So we're just gonna rush on to this one, we'll create the wallet, and then we transfer it. Right, that's it guys, it's already done. As you can actually see here, that was my ETH when I put it in, and then we're just going to see how much we actually going to get at the end of the month guys. So that's it for this video guys, and then I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. This is going to be a ciao ciao.